Hi Erica, thank you for letting us send you this quick video. We're going to show you a few things about what can you do to improve your website and how can you beat your competition online. So first things first, looking at your website, you can definitely have more, have better quality of images. Um, the other thing that we can suggest is you need to have more content. So images is not enough, so you might want to consider having more content. That means words specifically, and it has to be original content because Google can know when you copy and paste content from other places. So having content will help with the keywords that you want to target for will help your website to rank in those first results on any of the Google searches. If we look on the back end of your website, we know that it's being provided by Google. So this number over here is really high, the domain rating, but you have no organic keywords being picked from your website because you don't have any content, you have any original content. And the URL rating when it comes to citations, um, the number is 13, but again, you don't have any data to back up that. It's just Google is giving you that this number, but there's no relevance on it. If we do a quick search of construction company in New Brunswick, New Jersey, which is I believe is close to your area, first thing you're gonna notice is Google Ads. These ads you pay for it, and it's not guarantee you. It's not gonna guarantee a customer because every time you click on here, you're gonna get charged. If this is not done properly, you're gonna end up losing a lot of money. So this, to me, this is a 50-50 chance that you can take. The second part is being here in the map section. That's where the citations work. So if you have a lot of citations from directories, you could be here. Besides having good reviews and again content of these profiles, um, your profile will be ranking in these three first spots. Then we have the organic results. This is a directory. It's not a directory. These guys over here, number three, uh, these I believe they might be your main competition in the area. So if you look at the website, um, you can tell that they have a little more content, of course, than you do. They have more pages, and that's probably why they're being ranking on the third position of that specific search. If we look over here, you can tell that they have over 1,000 backlinks, and they have 137 organic keywords that are being picked from their website. So this is the reason why they show up on the third place, and one of the reasons that you are not here because you don't have that optimized website, so you can be competing with these guys over here. Um, the other thing that I can tell you is that even though they have over 1,000 links, these numbers are way too slow. So this is really easy to beat. It's really easy to outrank because not all links are created equally. So if you have powerful links, you can have at least I'll say around 200, and you can beat them easily on these numbers because you want your URL and domain rating to be higher. If you have any questions, please let us know. Um, you have our information, our phone number, and if you think we can help you out, same thing. If you have any feedback, we'll appreciate any feedback as well. Thank you.